I'm Mike at Top Dog SF, and I'm here with Harper, the mini Bernie Doodle. And in this video, we're gonna work on the exercise that we call making good decisions. The reason why we call this exercise making good decisions is because we let the dog figure out how to make the good decision of looking us in the eye all on their own with no cue whatsoever. So I have some kibble in both hands, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold my hands out to the sides of Harper's head. I'm gonna let Harper sniff at the kibble, and when she figures out to look me in the eye, that's where I'm gonna mark with a G-O-O-D. I'm gonna bring my hand up to my face, and I'm gonna bring my hand straight down to Harper to deliver one piece of kibble to her. Good. 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 So I'm just trying to tease her a little bit, get her interested in it. All this excitement is what we want. Good. 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 What a good girl. What a good girl this little Harper is. What a good girl. She did good. She did good. She did good, this little sweet one. She's a good one. She's a good one. She's a good one. So that's it. It's all about getting your puppy to focus on you, engage with you, and look you in the eye. And when we get the puppy to make the decision to do it on their own, it makes it much easier to add a cue to the behavior later. So what we suggest doing to start is to start with a 1 to 2 minute session. Work on making good decisions for 1 to 2 minutes, and then end it. Give your puppy some love and do something else. And gradually you can increase the amount of time that you do this exercise, maybe to 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and then eventually we'd like to do this as a 5-minute exercise where we just sit for 5 minutes and get the puppy to keep looking us in the eye over and over again and marking and rewarding for making the good decision on their own. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos. For more information about Top Dog SF, please visit our website, topdogsf.com.